So hello everyone, let us solve another LeetCode question, that is path sum. So let us read the problem statement. So we are given the root of the binary tree and an integer target sum, and we need to return true if the tree has a root to leaf path such that adding up all the values along the path equals target sum. A leaf node is a node with no children. So let us see the first example and understand the question in a better way. So here we have given this binary tree and the target sum that they have provided is 22. So what we need to do is we need to find a root to leaf path such that adding all the values from root to leaf, that should be equal to this target sum. Now what is a root to leaf path? Root to leaf path means starting from this root node and ending up to any of these leaf nodes. So what is a leaf node? Leaf node is a node which has no children. So here there are 4 leaf nodes. So we need to find a path such that from root to any of the leaf node, the sum of all the values along that path should be equal to 22. Let us understand how we can get this 22. So let's say if we start with from 5, from top value, let's say we start from 5. Now we have two options to go. Either we can go left or we can go right. So let's say we go to right, let's say we go to left. So now we have this value 4. Now we have only one option here to go left. So let us say we go left and we have this value of 11. Now again we have two options. Either we can go to left or we can go to right. Let's say we go to left. Now we have the value of 7. So it is the leaf node. So from root to leaf we will check whether our sum of all the values in the path is equal to target sum or not. So what is the sum? So let us keep a count. Sum is 5 plus 4 plus 11, that is 20, and 20 plus 7 equal to 27. So root node to leaf node, the sum of all the nodes in that path is 27. So this is not what we required. So this is not the valid path. So now we will backtrack it. So instead of taking 7, we will now check its right child. What is the right child? 2. So again we reach a leaf node. We will again check whether the sum from root to leaf node is equal to target sum or not. So let's say what is the sum here? 4 plus 5 plus 11 plus 2. So it is 22. So is it equal to our target sum? Yes, it is equal to our target sum. So this is one valid path. And it is also starting from root and it is ending to leaf. So there can be various other paths, but we just need to find one such path, whether it exists or not. If it exists, we will return true, otherwise we will return false. So how will we do it? A simple brute force way. We will check in all directions. What are all the directions? Either we will go to left or we will go to right. Let's say we will start from this root node 5. Now we have two options, either to go to left or we can go to right. Let's say we have chosen the value before to go to left. Now let's say we go to right. So we will go to 8. Now we again have two options, either we can go to left or we can go to right. So we will go to left. Now what is the sum now? 13 plus 13, 26. It is not equal to the target sum and it is the leaf node. So it is not matching to the target sum. So we will backtrack it. Now we will take some other path. So when we are standing at 8, we also have one other option to go to right. So we will now go to right. And since 4 has only one child, that is right child, we will go to right child. Now what is the sum of root to leaf node here? So here 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17 and 1 is 18. So it is not matching to the target sum. So again we will backtrack it. So we have covered all the right part of this like right subtree. Now we can go to left part. So let's say we go to left part. Now we have the value of 4. It has only one child, that is left child. So we will go to left child. Again it has two options, left or right. So we first try the left part. So the sum of all elements we have already seen, it is not equal to target sum. So we will backtrack it and we will now go to right child and 2. And this is the valid path we have already discussed few minutes ago. And since it is this root to leaf node is matching with our target sum, so this root to leaf value is a this root to leaf path is a valid path, and we will return a true from here. So this is how we will approach. We will check on going to each and every direction, and if any one valid path is available, we will return true, otherwise we'll return false after checking each and every direction or going to each and every node. So let us go to code now and understand in more better way. So let us write the code now. So we will do a recursion by going on to each and every direction, and we'll do the recursion in this solve function. So what will be the parameters? So we will pass the root node as the parameter, we'll pass target sum as the parameter, and we will also keep count of our current sum. So our current sum would start from 0, and we will return whatever answer we are getting from this recursive solution. So let us write the solve function now. So we'll just declare all the parameters here. And then we have target sum, and we have the current sum. So I am denoting current sum with sum, and let us write the recursive part now. So first we have the base case. Now what could be the base case? Now what if we have given an empty binary tree? So empty binary tree means we can't go to from root node to leaf node even if the target is 0, because it's an empty tree, it's not a valid tree, so we need to return false. So this was the base case. Now what we will do if it is not the case, we will keep on adding the value to our current sum. And now we will check if the current node is the leaf node or not. So how can we check if a current node is a leaf node or not? Obviously if it has no children, that means if it has no left child or right child, that means it is the leaf node. So if nodes left equal to if nodes left is equal to null, as well as its right child is also pointing to null, that means if it is a leaf node. So we will return true from there because we got one valid path. Otherwise what we will do, we will go to subtree. If it is not the leaf node, we will go to its subtree. Now what subtree to choose? We need to choose each and every direction. So we will traverse through left part as well as the right part. So what we can do, we will traverse to left part, and rest all things remain same, and we will traverse to right part, and the other things remain same. Also we will store the sum here, and the rest all remain as it is. And if from any subtree left or right, if we get any true value, we will return here also the true value. So we can code it up like this. So whatever value we are getting from any of the left child or the right child, if any of the value is true, we will also return true, because we just need to check if even one possible path is there or not. So this is how we'll code, and we need to also check here that if our sum is equal to target sum or not after reaching the leaf node. So this was it about the code. Let us try to submit it. So it is giving us the error on line 14. Sorry, it is bool. If root equal to, we have used a node here. Let us do it. We have not put semicolon. So yeah, there were few errors, few syntax errors, otherwise our code worked fine. And let us submit. So our code got accepted. Hope you learned from this video. Thank you.